Hey everyone, today I am going to guide you through the process of creating your very own lo-fi YouTube channel. And the best part is, we will show you how to monetize it using AI. But that is not all. I will also reveal how you can combine it with other money-making methods. So, make sure to stick around until the end. Before we move forward, allow me to introduce to you to our channel. If you are keen on staying up to date with the latest AI tools and learning how to use them effectively, this is the perfect channel for you. We offer clear-cut tutorials and keep you well informed. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Your support greatly contributes to our efforts in producing more videos. So, without further ado, let's get started. Chances are you are already familiar with this channel right here. It is called Lo-Fi Girl. When we peek at their social stats, it is clear they are making a significant income. Their formula is straightforward. They post simple lo-fi beats with a relaxing background image. But guess what? They are not the only ones doing it successfully. So, if you have ever thought, I want to do that and make money from it, you are in the right place. Let us begin with the basics. To monetize your YouTube channel, you need 1,000 subscribers and a whopping 4,000 hours of watch time. Plus, you must consistently upload original content. I know, it may seem like a tall order, but don't worry. I have got some invaluable tips on how to grow your channel faster and achieve that covered 4,000 hours of watch time in turbo mode. And of course, I will show you how to create original content from scratch. Alright, first things first, let us create that captivating background image. For this, we will be using a remarkable tool called Leonardo AI. The standout feature here is that it provides you with a commercial license for each generated image, allowing you to monetize them without worries. Head over to the Leonardo AI website, where you can either create an account or quickly log in, just like I am doing right now. Once inside, it is time to choose an image model that perfectly suits your needs. In this case, the anime pastel dream model is a great choice. Now, let us adjust the aspect ratio to 16:9, giving us a horizontal image, the ideal format. Next, in the text box, we must enter a prompt. With the prompt in place, the only thing left to do is click that generate button, and lo and behold, a selection of wonderful images appears. Pick your favorite and download it to your computer. Now, let us create the smooth lo-fi beat with the help of AI. There is a fantastic tool that makes this process incredibly simple. It is called Mubert.com. Just visit their website and you can either type a prompt, select a genre, choose a mode, or opt for an activity. In our case, let us go with the genre lo-fi. For the duration, let us make it longer than the standard 45 seconds and instead set it to 3 minutes. Now, all that is left to do is click Generate Track and watch as your perfect lo-fi beat takes shape. Now, while the track is generating, let us talk about monetizing your channel with AI. AI Lo-Fi Beats offers different pricing options, including a free plan, a creator plan for $14 a month, a pro plan for $39 a month, and a business plan for $199 a month. The creator plan in particular is a solid choice as it allows you to generate up to 500 tracks per month, all without the need for attribution. However, if you are hesitant to pay upfront, you can always start for free and make money from affiliate links while your channel is growing. As your channel gains momentum and you start making money, you can then consider upgrading to a paid plan. Let's get back to our lo-fi beat. Here it is, ready for you to listen to. It sounds fantastic. Just click the download button to save it. One important thing to note is that you will need to create an account for this step. And the tool reminds us that purchasing a plan will allow you to monetize the AI-generated beat. Once you have created your account, return to your generated track and click download. But don't forget this crucial step. Be sure to input your YouTube channel link so they can clear any copyright claims for your content. And guess what? If you want to generate another track, it is as easy as clicking Generate Similar, and you have your second bit ready to roll. Now that we have all the content, like the captivating background image and the mesmerizing lo-fi beat, it is time to put them together and create a beautiful video. For this, you can use any video editing software, but in our case, we will use CapCut. It is incredibly user-friendly, and best of all, it is free. If you haven't already, head over to the CapCut website and download the software. Once you have installed it, open CapCut and click on New Project. Now, all we need to do is drag and drop the background image and the lo-fi beat into the timeline. But wait, before we go any further, here is a handy trick to instantly get more watch hours, which is crucial for reaching that 4,000 watch hours as soon as possible. Simply copy the audio file and paste it directly after the audio file. Do this by pressing Ctrl+C and then Ctrl+V. Repeat this process until you reach at least 1 hour video length. Of course, you can create even longer versions if you prefer. Once you are satisfied with your video, click Export. Make sure to choose 60 FPS and a resolution of at least Full HD. Select where you want to save your file, give it a name, and then click Export. Alright, now that our video is ready, let us delve into another way to earn money right away using affiliate links. You can include these in your video description. Websites like ClickBank, Digistore24, and Warrior Plus provide numerous affiliate offers. Simply sign up, select products relevant to your channel, and start earning commissions. Finally, let us create your YouTube channel. It is a straightforward process. Click on Create a New Account. Fill in all the necessary details, and don't forget to focus on how your channel looks. Design your channel identity because having a consistent theme and identity across your channel will help you gain subscribers more quickly. We are going to use Canva for that purpose, a free-to-use design tool. Just search for your YouTube logo in the search bar and click Create Blank. Now, drop the image you generated earlier onto the canvas. Resize it for your liking, and add a suitable font for your channel name. And there you have it. Your video is ready to be uploaded to YouTube. But here is the thing. In the beginning of your YouTube lo-fi journey, you won't get monetized right away. However, there is another way to start earning money right from the beginning, and that is by using affiliate links that you can include in your video description. Besides that, as your channel grows, you can also explore community posts, sponsorships, and brand deals. It is quite likely that businesses will start reaching out to you, seeking promotional collaborations. So, there you have it. You have learned how to create a monetizable lo-fi YouTube channel using AI, and how to combine it with various earning methods. Now, it is your turn. Start uploading your video, engage with your audience, and watch your lo-fi journey takes off. I am really interested in hearing what you think. Will you make a lo-fi YouTube account after this? If you decide to give it a shot, please don't hesitate to share your thoughts and insights in the comments. I am genuinely excited to hear about your experiences, and your valuable feedback could be a source of guidance for those considering trying it out as well. Thank you for watching, and again, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I hope this video helps you out, and I would love to see you in the next video.